Hello there, welcome to Genessis Models and welcome to another vlog for this month, April. Now I've got a few little changes I do want to discuss with you guys, but we're just going to jump straight in and announce last month's competition for March, which if you remember, last month we were giving away this beauty by Airfix. It is the Martin B26B Marauder 1/72 scale. Nice little kit here that was given away for March, and for all you guys who've entered, I did the usual random number generation program, came down the Fed, and I came to who was it again? It was Glen Eagles. So congratulations to you, Glen Eagles. You are the winner. All you got to do is give me an email with your mailing address and I'll ship this out to you free of charge. Now don't worry, as always we do have a competition every month, and I'll be announcing this month's competition for April later on in this vlog. Now what I wanted to discuss is a little bit of a change of the way we do things in regards to the vlogs, because if you're a bit of an old standing member, you'll remember the days where we did shows. Once a month we'd do a show, and the show would be just kind of like, it'd be quite big. It'd be like maybe 30 minutes to an hour long, and we'd just pack it full of all sorts of stuff model related, and because it was so big and so long, we kind of decided that, you know what, the vlogs were sort of like more quicker, sharper, 10 minutes long, and just get down to the point sort of thing. However, I don't know about you guys, but I kind of miss the shows because we could put all sorts of stuff in there. You know, we'd show off your guys' work on the forum. We had kit release news in there. We'd sort of show off what we've been building this month, you know, a bit of sort of behind the scenes, showing all those videos that you paying subscribers see on the Genessis Models website. So what I want to sort of do is sort of bring back the show, but sort of merge it with the vlog and sort of make a vlog show thing. So maybe not going 30 minutes to an hour long how we used to do it, but sort of like maybe whack a bit more content into the vlogs and sort of take a few things from the show. So hopefully you're gonna like that little bit of a change, and you know, you're gonna see a little bit more in the you know, we always have a vlog at the beginning of the month where we throw in the competitions, but we're going to use that vlog and add a few bit more things to it. So hopefully you're going to like that. As always, get comments in on the forum down below on YouTube. Let me know what you think, and I can sort of tailor make it for you guys and get it the way you want it. So with that said, what we're going to do is we're going to now jump in and do the kit release news, bringing that back, showing you the latest kits that have been released in the past month and all that kind of goodies. So let's take a look at kit release news. Hello there and welcome to April 2019's kit release news. We have to start off with the F5F Tiger by Kitty Hawk Models at 1/32 scale. It is an expensive £79.99, but still looking good. We have a FA18E Super Hornet, that is by Revell, brand spanking new tool for 2019. It is 1/32 scale and is coming in at £69.99. We've got a Fucker Wolf FW190 A8. It's a Provipack edition by Edard, 1/48 scale, and is a nice price of £32.30. We have a Tornado F3 limited edition, that is 1/48 scale, and it is coming in at £41.70. That is by Edard. We have also a P61B Black Widow, that is 1/48 scale and is by Great Wall Hobbies, £49.99. Great Wall Hobbies is also releasing a 1/48 scale SU35S Flanker E. That's coming in at £59.99. The Yak 130, manufactured by Kitty Hawk Models in 1/48 scale, is also coming in at a nice £44.99. Also at the same price of £44.99, we have the McDonnell Douglas F4J Phantom Diamondbacks 1/48 scale, and that is by Academy. So that is it for kit release news for April 2019. So the builds that have been going on lately, which actually we're starting a few new builds this month. So first off, we have our good old FA18 Super Hornet here. We are nicely in the spray stage, almost getting finished, ready to put a final gloss coat on and start some deckling with this one, which there is a bit to it. We have, if you've seen some videos, we have got doing sort of like black spraying. That's sort of like a subject in its own right, in a sense. So that's the FA18. As I say, we're going to be starting some new builds. Now there's two new builds being started this month. One you probably already know about if you have been watching our live sessions, every Friday at 6 o'clock. If you have been watching it, you will know that we're starting this whole new build here, which is the Hobby Boss A4M Skyhawk 1/48 scale. Looking forward to this. Actually, it's a nice it's a jet, but it's kind of like the size and the kind of build you would sort of be doing with like a World War II fighter. So it's kind of quick and easy, but still a jet, which I'm quite liking. So that's in the live sessions. We'll be starting this this Friday, nice and live. So hopefully you're looking forward to that. But there is going to be another build that we're going to be building alongside the FA18, and this is a bit of a kind of a build I've been wanting to do for years and years and years. It is out of production. You would, if you wanted to build along, I mean, you'd probably have to go on eBay, find one of these old kits, and probably pay a bit of an arm and a leg to get hold of it, but it is such a smasher. It is the B2 Spirit. It's 1/72 scale, and it's by Tester. As I say, pretty damn old kit, but what an iconic aircraft. This is the B2 Stealth Bomber. It's going to absolutely look amazing. It's quite a big build. And we really get to sort of, when it comes to the spraying with this one, which I do like, we have touched on past couple of months in the live session with the FA18, you know, spraying black and sort of getting that to look nice, whereas this is going to take it another level, because we've got this kind of very dark sort of grey stealthy kind of thing going on here. You can probably see on the box art here, there's all this sort of masking up we're going to have to do to get this lovely sort of pattern going on. Going to be really cool to get this sprayed up and looking rather good. And 1/72 scale when it comes to bombers is, you know, a nice scale if you ask me. If we went 1/48, it would be way too big. I don't think they do 1/48 in the B2 Stealth Bomber. So hopefully you're going to be looking forward to this being started in April, as well as you got the FA18 going on as well. So now we're going to do April 2019's competition, which is one of the builds that we are starting this month, because I went out and brought two of the kits because I thought that was really cool, and so you guys could build along. Yeah, I did go out and buy a second A4M Skyhawk. So to be in it, to win it, as always, just go down to the Genessis Models website. On the forum, there'll be a competition section for April 2019, and just make a comment in there, count me in or something to that effect, or even make some feedback or something like that, just to get a post in there. Or you can even post down below on YouTube, and I do the usual random number generation program, countdown the Fed, and I come to the winner, and I'll announce that in next month's sort of vlog for the beginning of the month. So hopefully you're going to be on this one, because I do think this is a fantastic looking kit. Loads and loads of weapons in there. Absolutely love it. So sadly we have come to the end of our vlog for April 2019. I'm going to leave you now with a load of gorgeous pictures of final reveals from you guys who build your models on the forum. If you don't know about the forum, go check it out. I mean, there's loads of great guys over there helping each other, all sorts of, like, you know, troubleshooting problems, just general sort of hanging out, as well as showing your builds in like a photo format, and then as you're about to see, they throw up pictures of the final reveals. Absolutely gorgeous place to check out, and a wealth of knowledge and information that's been built up over the years. So I'm just going to leave you with you guys and your fantastic builds here at Genessis Models. So until next time, my name's Bobby Waldron, this is Genessis Models, and I hope you've enjoyed.